This is my 2012 Eastern traildigger. I just picked it up yesterday. Okay, so it's got ODIs I put on. The old grips right there. Eastern burr ends. Eastern stock burr. Stock Eastern stem. Stock Eastern forks. Just a stock Eastern wheel with curb monkey tire. I'm gonna get a GLH tomorrow. E-clap pedals with Eastern cranks and Eastern sprocket, KMC chain. Eastern seat, one-piece seat with Eastern seat clamp, but I'm getting that E-clap seat post and putting on Aussie Senior 2 seats. I'm getting just a stock Eastern back wheel with Eastern bidirectional hub with Eastern burnout tire. It's really grippy for street. And hub sound. It's pretty loud. So, that's my bike edit. Please like and subscribe.